I'm a great fan of compost. I just love this stuff. It's just gold in the garden. Today, I'm going to show you a project where you can create your own simple compost bin in your own garden with a bit of help from whites. And it will enable you to turn garden waste into this beautiful, sweet-smelling brew. The best place to begin is a piece of bare soil, which allows earthworms, fungi and microbes to invade your system. Avoid hot, exposed locations to help keep your compost moist during summer. What do you need? 4 ultra posts, a stake driver, about 6 metres of White's Pro Series chicken netting, cable tie, tie wire and cardboard sheets for sides and top, plus gloves, a gimpy hammer and wire cutters. Position the 4 ultra posts in the ground 1 metre apart using this driver. Next, curl the mesh around the 4 posts using the tie wire to secure 3 sides. This front door can also be secured with cable ties, which can subsequently be cut to allow you to turn or empty the bin when necessary. Use dry cardboard to line the sides and to cover the top. Eventually, this will rot down too and become part of the compost, but now it'll help to contain the compost fodder and keep moisture in the heap. 2 essential keys to successful composting are managing water and air. So these breather tubes I've made up from the same chicken mesh that we used around the outside, just pop those in and they allow air to go down into the compost itself. And when it comes to adding material, make sure it's nice and moist. If not, give it a good drink later on. Before filling your bin, make sure you pop on your safety caps. The ideal way to load the ingredients is in thin layers and try to reduce the particle sizes as much as is practical. This style of compost bin is well suited to leaf litter, garden clippings, weeds, lawn clippings and shredded paper from the office. I'm going to spice things up with the sweepings from the chicken coop. I'd suggest avoiding food scraps because of vermin. So I like to hose it all down to keep it nice and moist before I cover it with the cardboard. Now you can add to this every week of the year, and I will wait probably 6, maybe even 12 months before I muck it out. And I'll use that beautiful compost material on the veggie patch as well as under my trees. So there you have it. What a great weekend project. Give it a go.